Since we live in Las Vegas, it was staycation time, and on this occasion it was 4th of July and we decided to stay at New York, New York. We initially booked the Soho Premier 2 Queen with the view. Made it to New York. We are over here at New York, New York, Las Vegas Century Tower. 2 Queen Soho Premier with a view. It does have a tub and shower combo right there. Check that out, not too bad. When you first walk in, there is a mirror. Check yourself out. And then if you look to the right, you'll find your little wet bar. It does have a little fridge in here. It is a mini fridge. You can put your own drinks in there. Super cold in that one. And if you come over here, you do have your ironing board and iron, a couple hangers. Granted, you guys, I did come 4th of July, but I don't know if this is the room I completely wanted, but it's not terrible. It does have 2 queen beds, 55-inch flat screen television. Of course, the volume doesn't go up, so that's the loudest it is, so I don't get it. But alright, and then you come over here, you do have your phone and then all your charging ports right there. One lamp there. It does have a cool like New York vibe, like, you know, the old brick stone work and stuff like that. And then of course you do have like the graffiti over there. That's kind of cool. Make it like that New York vibe twist. It is kind of like a corner suite because these windows all do open up. So that's kind of cool. You do see the roller coaster down there. They're actually on it right there now. Oh, they just finished right there. Uh-oh, I think they're going down. All right, let's see. Here we go. Yep, there we go. So that's kind of sick right there. And it is a corner. You do see Excalibur over there. Right across the way you see the MGM Grand. I was hoping they'd be shooting fireworks off of that in my plan, but it looks like it's not gonna happen. So it does have a table over here. It's supposed to have a Chase lounge. Little table right there. I mean, not a terrible room. It is nice. It is roomy. It does have a little mini fridge. It cost me about $110 total, resort fees and all. Try to get early check-in. Of course, on a holiday, it's just not gonna happen. So this is the room. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you stayed in the brand new New York, New York rooms.